Heartiest congratulations to everyone who cracked entrance and entered into your post-graduation. It's really time to cherish your success. At the same time, keep in mind the very fact that this is not the end of the road. PG entrance or PG preparation is one side of the coin, and post-graduation as such can be considered as the other side of the coin, because it's a time period where you have ample opportunity to master and specialize in a subject of your choice. You've worked so hard all these days, all these months. You have been giving your best consistently based on your time availability. You worked hard, worked consistently, and believed in yourself. Just maintain that momentum. It doesn't and it shouldn't end with PG preparation, entrance preparation. Maintain the momentum throughout your career, and I'm sure you're going to see a better version of yourself each and every time, right? So keep in mind the very fact that this is not the end of the road. So post-graduation is again a wonderful opportunity for you to master the subject of your choice, to specialize in that specific subject, and to have a fulfilling career. So once again, heartiest congratulations and love you all. And our communication doesn't end and shouldn't end with this video. We can definitely stay in touch, and you can always contact me through mail. As I keep on saying, I'm just a mail away. So once again, heartiest congratulations on your success. Wish you all the best. Love you all.